Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So it is Sunday, April 28th, and I am now back from my trip, and I have had a chance to run over to the grocery store. So I wanted to share with you a couple of things that I was able to pick up. I do not have a grocery haul just yet because I haven't had a chance to sit down and do that. So I'll bring you that in a separate video, or I will just type it down in the description box below. So I went to Walmart. And then I went to Aldi, and my budget this week was $100, and then Tranden chipped in $50. So we did $150, or right at $150, between what he paid and what I paid. And these are just some stock up and some staple things that we needed. I am still going to shop next week because that's just my normal routine, is to shop every week. But of course my budget will go down just a hair. So let me, and Tranden is actually getting ready to transition back to his house after this next week, and then my mom will be transitioning. So we'll still be a family of 4, but it will just be me buying groceries, and of course that might bump up my groceries a little bit, but that's no problem. So let me share with you what I was able to get at Walmart. So the kids are totally out of eggs. So 2 of the boxes of the 60 eggs. We're going to do some boiled eggs, some fried eggs, and then we'll just have some for baking. They were $4.85. So this is at Walmart. So if you do Walmart eggs, the eggs are going down in price. They were a little pricey at Aldi, but they were $4.85 for this box at my Walmart, and I just picked up 2. I also picked up some roast beef. This I'm going to be using for lunches today to actually make some Philly cheesesteak. A friend of mine who's a chef, he uses the kind of rare roast beef in the deli section. So I went over, I got a pound of that. It was $10.16, way more than I would normally pay. But she'd already started cutting it, and I was like, whatever, let's just go on. Picked up a couple of flavored waters for $1, and then we got the mega sours for $3.48. Tranden is here. Spaghetti squash, I got, this was like almost 4 pounds. It was $1.18 a pound. They did not have any at Aldi. Picked up the small deveined shrimp. That was $5, and then I picked up some pork sausages for cook-ahead meals. They were $5.64. Picked up a cabbage. I think this was like $3 or $4. Picked up 2 packages of the cream cheese for $1.33. Some Jamestown mild sausage. I think this was $1.17. Picked up some radishes. I'm going to try to do like some what is it? Like hash browns. So I'm gonna there's a recipe that I'm gonna be using for that. I was looking for jicama, so I don't know if that is in season or not. I saw Daniela Diaries do jicama fries. Oven's ready. I saw Daniela Diaries do jicama fries, but I could not find that at my Walmart. They did not have it at Aldi, and I didn't go to Harris Teeter today. So anyway, this was $2.47, way higher than Aldi, but I forgot them at Aldi. The broccoli and cauliflower, 98 cents, steamable bags at Walmart. Then we picked up some Carb Balance. We had to get the 6 net carbs mission because they only had one of the La Banderitas the 5 net carbs. So I picked up 2 of those because, again, Tranden is here and the kids are having sandwiches this week for lunches. We picked up a big thing of strawberries for $4.64, some sour cream for 92 cents. I did a big thing of chunk tuna for $1.58 because we're going to be having tuna fish. And then we did 2 Halo tops for $3.88 a piece. And then there was also a big water, which you don't see here listed. So everything I spent at Walmart was $78. Then over here at Aldi, I picked up zucchini. These zucchini are huge. Normally they're really tiny, but 2 of them or 3 of them in a pack, depending on what pack you got, were $1.58. So I just picked up 2. So we have a lot of pasta sauce. So we'll be pasta heavy this week, but that's okay. We're going to do some in a brown buttered garlic sauce, and then we'll do some with the red sauce, and I think I might have some pesto, so we'll do that as well. Apples, Gala apples for Jackson, they were $3.99. The hard salami was $2.99. Button mushrooms were 68 cents. Then I picked up this 73.27 ground beef. I saw Tangy from Freedom Homestead haul this week. It was $8.90, almost $9 for this. It is 5 pounds. So I usually divide it up into 1 pound bags, lay it flat, and then they'll fit in the freezer so we can have some ground beef meals this week. Picked up the sub kits for the kids' lunches. We're going to be packing lunches this week, and we probably will film that for you guys. I think this was $3 and some. I can't remember. I picked up 1 Kerrygold butter for just regular cooking, and then that was $2.85, and then Countryside Creamery sweet cream butter was $2.85. This is just going to be like for recipes. This will be like in the pan for stuff like that. Heavy whipping cream, $1.55. These are jalapenos. They were 79 cents, I believe. Picked up some of these mini cucumbers. I'm going to give cucumbers a try this week. I'm going to make that ranch cream cheese dip. Spinach was $1.39. I picked up some freezer bags for the hamburger meat and then anything else I need to freeze. Picked up some blueberries because I'm going to do some of the blueberry muffins from the Southern Keto Cookbook, and I wanted to do some of the sugar-free jam, strawberry and blueberries. So I picked up 2 things of strawberries. We like strawberries, but then in order to make the jam, I needed some extra ones. I picked up 2 of the olive oil cooking sprays, some blue cheese. I picked up these elevation bars. They're a little higher in net grams of carbs than I like, but I might have to do a meal replacement depending on what school I'm at. So I thought I'd pick those up. I got some organic extra virgin olive, and then I got some of the Simply Nature avocado, 2 of the sparkly waters, and then 1 almond vanilla milk. And at Aldi, what I spent was right at $72. So again, Tranden gave me $50, and I spent $22 on my own. So that is our grocery haul. Again, I have no meal plan for you guys just because I haven't had a chance to figure out what I'm planning for my meals this week, but I will get back to you guys. So anywho, that is my grocery haul, Walmart and Aldi. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.